Ever thought about shaving your head but not sure how to do it? Well, fear not, because today we're going to tackle this task head-on. Think of it as a rite of passage, an initiation into a league of extraordinary bald folks. First things first, ensure the hair is short enough to shave. If it's longer than 1/4 of an inch, trim it down. A pair of hair clippers would work just fine. Remember, the shorter the hair, the easier the shave. Next up, it's time to get that scalp nice and clean. A warm shower or a hot towel wrap around the head will do the trick. The heat helps to soften the hair and open up the pores, prepping the skin for a smooth shave. Once you're out of the shower, it's time to lather up. Apply a generous amount of shaving cream or gel to the whole head. This aids in reducing friction, allowing the razor to glide smoothly across the skin. Now comes the main event, the shave. Hold your razor at a comfortable angle and start shaving with the grain, meaning in the direction the hair naturally grows. This reduces the chance of ingrown hairs and razor burns. Keep the stroke short and rinse the blade frequently to avoid clogging. After you've shaved the whole head, it's time to rinse off. Use cold water to close the pores and soothe the skin. Pat the head dry gently, don't rub. Finally, moisturize. This is a key step that many overlook. A good aftershave balm or moisturizer will help to soothe the skin and prevent dryness and irritation. To recap, here are the steps to a successful head shave. Apply a generous amount of shaving cream or gel. 4. Shave with the grain using short strokes. 5. Rinse with cold water and pat dry. A few extra tips to keep in mind. Always use a sharp blade to avoid nicks and cuts. Replace it as soon as it starts to feel dull. And remember, practice makes perfect. It might take a few tries to get the hang of it, but soon you'll be shaving your head like a pro. So why wait? Embrace the bald, feel the breeze, and enjoy the simplicity of a shaved head. It's a whole new world out there, and it's waiting for you.